Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see the Cloud Computing Module 3 important questions. First one, discuss IaaS, PaaS and SaaS services models with examples at different service levels. Second one, compare public, private and hybrid cloud deployment models. Third one, explain the architectural design of compute and storage clouds with a neat diagram. Fourth one, describe the interconnection network design of large-scale cloud data centers. Fifth one, write a note on the global exchange of cloud resources and its implications. Sixth one, describe the features and services provided by Microsoft Azure for enterprise use. Seventh one, compare the cloud services offered by Google App Engine, AWS and Azure.